Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Midea air conditioner remote control. So first of all, you need to start by checking that your remote has a small reset button. So on most of the Midea remotes, you are going to see this type of pinhole. So you need to use a paper clip and insert it inside it. Then you just have to press it and wait until the reset process starts. Now, if your remote doesn't have a reset button, the second thing that you can try is you can just simply remove the battery cover, and you need to take those batteries out and leave them as it is for at least 1 to 2 minutes. After the time duration, you just have to simply insert the batteries. Now, before inserting the batteries, I highly recommend you to simply press the power button as well, so that if there is any type of power remaining in the remote, it will basically remove. So after doing this, simply insert the fresh batteries, and then you just have to simply point this towards the AC display and see if it is now working properly again. So that's how you can basically reset it. Thanks for watching.